Hey happy campers, and welcome to Taste Great Outdoors, where we make easy recipes that you can make in minutes at your campsite. This is 2-can Dutch oven chili. To me, there's nothing better than a little comfort food around the campfire, and this one-pot wonder delivers every time. So let's get into it. First, dice your pepper, yellow onion, and lots of garlic. Other than operating a can opener, that's all the hard work you're gonna have to do for this one. Now, add a tablespoon of olive oil to a skillet over medium heat. It's okay, you can eyeball this. Once the oil is shimmering, go ahead and brown a pound of ground beef or your favorite meatless substitute. Then toss everything in the same pot and give it all a quick stir. For me, camp cooking is really all about creating the best flavors with the least amount of effort. Trust that all these wonderful ingredients are going to come together. Next, you're going to add in 1 can of drained beans, black or kidney, and another of diced tomatoes with all their juices. That liquid is going to cook down and add some beautiful richness and body to the final dish. Then a tablespoon each of chili powder and ground cumin, and salt and pepper to taste. And yes, that is a pill organizer. I like to use one as my campsite spice rack. It's my go-to favorite camping hack. Now just sit back and let the chili cook down until it thickens. I found that 20 minutes is just right for my taste. And while you wait, it would be a great time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. And if there are any other camp recipes you'd like to see, drop us a comment below. And here it is, 2-can Dutch oven chili, a hearty, filling camp classic that's gonna warm you from the inside out. For the best flavor, serve it piping hot with a big hunk of pre-made or store-bought cornbread on the side. For the full recipe, check out the video description. And if you enjoyed this video and wanna see more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know what camp meals you love to cook in the comment section below.